Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with my work Lions Planner. I have not been using this for a while because I've been caught up in a lot of other things, but this month is really intense, so I kind of want to get back in the habit of using it at least for this month. I am going to plan the monthly right here, and then I'm going to flip into the weekly with you guys. So this was from the gentleman who also provided a planner for one of our drawings, so it was such a blessing, and I am so appreciating all that he's done. I'm trying to decide, if you wonder what I'm doing, I'm trying to decide which stickers I want to use, and I think I just want to use something bright and cheerful, that this is work. Wait, is there something cheerful in the small numbers? No. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to kind of talk to you while I do this. So we know Monday was the 1st, so I'm just going to kind of go on top of that. I'm not going to make this look super pretty. Like I said, this is a work planner, so it is going to be very functional this month. We have a tax deadline next week. I just have a lot due on the estate. We are still trying to get the house transferred over. It is crazy. It really is crazy. The poor couple that bought it, the local utilities company is being ugly to them, and I thought they were just not doing it, which is what the utility company said, and come to find out, the utility company is not being nice. So I talked to our realtor and I said, wow, I said, this makes a lot of sense, because they weren't very warm and cuddly with me either. So I totally agree with you. I think it's not the people who bought the home. I think it's the others. And like, they were wanting me to turn the water off on them on the weekend, and I said absolutely not. They have 3 children. I wouldn't do it anyways, but especially with 3 children. So there are these things that I think I've got checked off my list, and then come to find out, I find out they haven't been finished. So it's kind of a Pete and repeat out and about. You're just gonna have to keep checking back in, and that's okay. I mean, I'm learning better how to, oops, sorry guys. Goodness, this has been the day of a lot of calls. Anyways, wow, and they've been from all different people. So anyways, I am just trying to get things finished and completed. People look at me like, you haven't finished this yet? And they'll really say it that way. I mean, I know you guys know this. And you're just kind of going, uh-huh. And you know, the one thing that's so sweet is our realtor is a good friend of my husband's, and from work. And one day he told me, he said, I told your husband, I do not know how you do all the different things you do. And you do them. And I said, not well. And he goes, no, well. And I said, no, not well. And he just laughed, and he said, no. He said, you do a lot. And he was trying to be encouraging. It was a really rough day with us trying to get the house sold. And there were people that weren't being as easy to work with, and that made it doubly hard for me, and just doubly hard for him. And I was just trying terribly to make his job not hard, and you know how you do, you're trying to make it better for everybody, and then selfishly I'm going to get it checked off my list too. And but it was so sweet that he said what he said, and I had to stop and look back and think, yeah, I wear a lot of different hats, and I can't wear them all perfectly right now, because there are so many different deadlines and so many different people and so many things that they all need. And I'm not doing it great. I'm just trying, and and I'm learning in the journey, and I think that's the #1 key. I just want to tell everybody, we go through life and we're just like, oh, if I had just been like 5 years older, I would have done this better. If I had just gotten my master's, I would have done this better. If I had just been there on time for this, when this job was available, I'd have just been so much better. No, man, bloom where you're planted. You're where you're at that time, because you're the one that needs to be there, whether you're learning from the journey or you're there encouraging somebody else. And that is what I am learning in all this. Okay, there's my month. I don't like the beige behind it, but they really do, or the gray, because they do that so that people can just write the numbers in, and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I know. I made the mess myself. So it is October, so I'm going to put that up there. And I do have some 2018s in here. Let me see here. Okay, and I think I'm just going to take one of these big old ones, stick it in. And I think I'm going to put that on the other side. And because this is a work planner, I'm not going to do a whole lot in it, but I am going to do something. So this is done. I was using the Happy Memory Keeping, Me and My Big Ideas, Dates and Holidays booklet. So if you're wondering what that was, that's what this was. And let's see here. So I'm going to be doing lots of lists. Do you feel like that some days? Oh, goodness. When are we ever going to not have so many lists? But I am going to put this up here. Do your best. Okay. Or down here. That's what I think I'm going to put it down here. But, so that's it, guys. I mean, as we go through this journey, I'm not going to use that here. I'm going to use that on the weekly. We just need to do our best. We just need to focus on what it is that people need from us, and we need to try to do our very best. So I think I'm going to block that out. I think it's great that they have it, but I don't need that this month. I need to get all my lists going here. Will that fit? No, and it's not even going to fit. Well, there you go. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'll take these ones and turn them sideways. How's that? So, sorry, I'm going to cover up that little lion. Let me pull that October up and put that O on top. Let's see if I can do it. And I can. Thank you, Lord. Okay, we got that. And all I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to rotate my colors. So I'll do black. I don't want to do that. Let's see. Where are the primaries? They may be in the back. I don't mind green. Let's do light green. Okay, so anyway, so I'm learning a lot right now. I think that this is just a season where there's just a lot that has to be done, and I have to show due diligence and do my very best, and I'm okay with that. And is it going to be perfect? Oh, no. Is anybody else standing up saying, let me do it? Oh, no. So, I am just going to do the best I know how to do. But it's the time that I live in right now. So I am going to put something there. I did need this green one, so I'll put this one back. Green and black, that's an interesting combination, huh? Alrighty, so I'm going to put that back. And I think I am going to put, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this back up. I think that would fit in there just perfectly. No, I'm not, because it just tore to get up. Ugh, silly me. Okay, let's see. So this one, nope, that one's going to be for my weekly. Hold on, guys. Let me get that out of the way. That's going to be for my weekly. I don't need that. Let's see, the mini petites. Okay. And this is a faith, but I am totally good with that. So, I wanted to see. Sometimes I like this size anyways because it doesn't take a lot of space. You know what I mean? It just makes it really nice. So, Amazing Grace. Amen. Let's see here. God is with her. She shall not fail. I did that on my last planner, and it seems to be something that's ringing true for me right now. So I think that is going to go right down here. And I don't want to give up any of my space down there. So I'll need that for writing. And I want to put something small right there to kind of use up that space that I didn't quite plan for. Okay. I think I'm going to put either top priority or reminder. Maybe don't forget that. I'm going to put don't forget. This week will be full of don't forgets. So, alright guys, so there's that. And I think I'm going to come back and label these three. So let's see what we have. So I just had, okay, top priority. That will go here. That will take care of the rest of that lion. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is kind of go like that. Oh, forgot about the O again. Sorry. I know you guys are watching this going, come on, you're blocking the O again. Okay, got that. And then I could have scooted that out a little bit, but that's alright. We're just going to let it go. Let's see. I'm going to put meetings because we're going to have plenty of them this week. Put that there, or this month actually. I guess this is for the month. And then note to self. I think that will be good. Maybe important. I think I'm going to go with important. Even though I have top priorities, there are going to be things that will be important that are not a top priority. I just need to make sure they get done. That is driving me crazy. Sorry guys. Let me scooch it over. I know. You know what I can do? I can just put a flower or something there. Then it won't bother me. I've got hearts. I don't think this one has flowers. Does it? No. Okay. So let me see. Which one has flowers? Does this one? Can't remember. Nope, 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 nope. It does not. You know what does have flowers? My kit here. So let's see here. I am going to put that there because that is so. Nope. No, you know what? I think I'm going to put one of these. Yep. That's what I'm going to do. I'll put that there because it has the pink. No, that is not fitting. Let's see here, guys. We will figure this out. Hang with me. I'll put one of these little ones. There we go. Okay. So we lose the T. That's alright. Okay, where'd I put my scissors? Oh, goodness. Oh, well, that's okay. I can trim that up later. I just want to trim that little bit off. Okay, so there's my monthly. It is planned. That is it. It is been mainly the mini faith, yep, the mini faith, and then the planner society, and that is my work planner for the month of October. And yeah, I think that works out well. It's clean, it's neat, and I'm ready to roll. All right, guys, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you guys for stopping by today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, join, subscribe. I'd love to get to know you better. We all would. We'd love to encourage you. And most importantly, guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by. I look forward to talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.